This is the Chandler Road Bridge off of Highway 6, Doty Dryad Road. I'm Van Music. It's just a mess. About, I'd say 4:30 in the morning, my son came and woke me up and said, "Dad, you need to take a look." And the water was about 1.5 feet below the bridge. And we'd been hearing big booms all night, the logs coming up hitting it. And not even close. I lived in Chehalis in '96 when it flooded, and it wasn't anything like this. This is just unbelievable. We're all just doing it for everybody because we're all in the same boat. I mean, we're right by the river and we're luckier than any of them. So, I don't know. I'm just grateful to God we're here. You know, I don't know.
My name's Deputy Tim English from Lewis County Sheriff's Office. We've been using it yesterday for rescue operations to get people that wanted to go back into town, get them into town where the waters are too high to get any other vehicle in there. It's amphibious, so it can go through fairly deep water. Today it's used as a presence here in PL. It's kind of hard to get a lot of resources out here, and it allows us to get a lot of places that other people can't. The best part of having something like this is because it can be utilized in mud, water, it floats. So it's more like a boat than it is a four-wheel drive vehicle. You can fit up to 12 to 13 people inside of it.